Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting lip gloss at home. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients. First, select a high-quality base oil. Options like coconut, jojoba, or sweet almond oil work wonderfully. Next, choose a cosmetic-grade wax, such as beeswax or candelilla wax, which provides the gloss's staying power. Finally, pick a pigment for your desired color. Having your heat-safe container and stirring rod ready will ensure a smooth process. Now, let's get to the melting process. In a heat-safe container, combine 1 tablespoon of your selected wax with 2 tablespoons of your nourishing base oil. Place this container into a double boiler over low heat. Gently stir the mixture continuously. This ensures the wax fully dissolves and blends seamlessly with the oil. Keep stirring until the mixture is completely smooth, with no lumps remaining, preparing it for the next step. Once your base is melted, it's time to add personality. For color, introduce a small amount of cosmetic-grade pigment or mica powder. Begin with about 1/8 of a teaspoon and gradually add more until you achieve your desired shade. If you wish, incorporate 3 to 5 drops of a lip-safe essential oil, like peppermint or vanilla, for a pleasant scent. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure the color and fragrance are evenly distributed throughout your homemade lip gloss. The final step is pouring and setting your beautiful creation. Carefully transfer the warm lip gloss mixture into clean, empty lip gloss tubes. Fill each tube almost to the top, leaving a small amount of space for the applicator wand. Now, the most important part, allow the lip gloss to cool and solidify completely at room temperature. This usually takes several hours. Once it's firm, your very own long-lasting, homemade lip gloss is ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.